In this video, we are going to make a fire alarm circuit using LM358 operational amplifier. The following materials are needed: 9-volt battery, 5K thermistor, 2 pieces of 1 kilo ohm resistor, 10K potentiometer, LM358N operational amplifier, DC548B transistor, green LED, and the buzzer. Now let's take a look at our circuit. As you can see, we have a thermistor in the circuit. The thermistor acts as the sensor of the circuit. As the fire touches the thermistor, the buzzer and the LED will react simultaneously. Now that we already know what our circuit looks like and the materials needed, we are now ready to create our simple fire alarm using LM358N operational amplifier.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?